Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add a location to your Instagram bio. Really easy and simple to do. So you guys just want to head over to your Instagram application, open it up, and you'll see you're on your profile page right here. So you just want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Click on that, click on settings, and then go to account, and then click on switch to professional account. Now you have to click business for this just because it adds the location details and the new settings. So we're just going to click on business. And you just want to continue through this stuff. Now you can click on anything here that you'd like. So I'm just going to click on art for the tutorial's purpose and just click on next. Just going to give this a second here to switch up. And then now you can see it gives you an option to change your business address. So we're just going to click on business address and then pick a city or a town and click done. And we'll click on next. And now, once it's done there, you can see in my description, you'll see that the location is now there. And it's that easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.